Meet Dr. Wesley. We spent an afternoon in August 2025 exploring his favorite places in Barking and Dagenham. We were on our way to Chase Nature Reserve, one of the places that brings him lots of joy. Our journey needed a bus, train, and another bus, along with first and last mile wheeling. The sidewalks were accessible, and so was the low-floor bus. But at the Barking interchange station, the lift was out of service. It had been for several months. Barking was our nearest station, but with lifts not working, Dr. Wesley had to improvise, take a bus to the next station with fully step-free access, and take a train back to Barking to transfer to our intended line. This was his hack. Hacking is how wheelchair users routinely improvise, adapt, and reroute themselves through a transport system that is not designed with their needs in mind. But things didn't go as per plan. There was no staff with a ramp waiting at the platform to help deboard the train. While I ran up the stairs to alert staff, Dr. Wesley wedged himself between the train doors so the train wouldn't leave Barking station with him still inside. This was another hack. For 3 whole minutes, the train doors kept slamming against Dr. Wesley's feet, while he kept apologizing to passengers for the delay, for no fault of his own. Staff finally arrived with a ramp to help Dr. Wesley deboard. After he safely got off the train, he continued to navigate like nothing unusual had happened.
I'm sorry I delayed the train. It's alright. Don't be sorry. Thank you. Sorry. Right, so we need to change for the district.
As we moved between platforms for our next train, Dr. Wesley said, "Well, this happens to me more often than it should." A 48-minute journey stretched to 65 minutes with additional transfers, extra time to coordinate with staff, and an anxious, stressful wait for a ramp. All because of a non-working lift at Barking station. This is transport injustice. Disabled people have a right to accessible transport. No one should have to treat barriers, workarounds, and near injuries as routine. Until our systems, operations, and infrastructure become fully accessible, too many journeys will continue to be far harder and far more painful than they should be. TfL must act with urgency to create a fully accessible transport system in London that leaves no one behind, leaves no one waiting. Because every journey matters.